Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all well and having a great day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and today guys, I'm going to be doing a review of a luxury dupe handbag that's been kindly gifted to me by COEEBAGS. Now I've actually worked with COEEBAGS maybe 2 or 3 times now and I absolutely love their items, I love their products. On their website they have so many luxury dupe handbags, accessories and so much more. So COEEBAGS have kindly gifted me a handbag and I've literally just opened the box now and I've seen that there's also a pair of earrings in there as well, which I'm going to also show you. I wasn't expecting the earrings, so yeah, I'm so happy that they have kindly sent me a pair of earrings as well because the earrings match the handbag, okay? So without further ado guys, I know I'm waffling on a little bit. I've just opened this box. I'm having a bit of a day, to be fair with you, and I just really want to get this video out and show you what COEEBAGS have sent me. So I'm going to do a kind of like a re-unboxing because I've opened it already to have a look, and that's where and that is where I discovered the earrings. So everything that you order from COEEBAGS comes well packed. These items are coming all the way from China, so they have to be well packed to be like you know, delivered all the way from China to here. So inside this carton box is another box which holds the handbag. Okay, so you've got this lovely luxury box that says Saint Laurent on the front. So you guys have guessed it, they've kindly gifted me a Saint Laurent handbag and earrings as well. Okay, so that's the box there. It's a really nice, sturdy, strong box. I normally repurpose the boxes. They come in handy to put like bits and bobs in, you know, and also to hold the actual bag. Okay, so before I show you the bag, inside the box, I've got this dust bag. Okay, that also says Saint Laurent. Okay, so you've also got some certificates for purchasing certificates and so on. Then you've also got a gift bag that also has Saint Laurent Paris on the front. Okay, in black. Okay, anything else inside? Let's have a look. And then for the earrings that I mentioned, it comes with this nice little gift bag as well that says Saint Laurent Paris on there. Okay, so the bag that they've kindly gifted to me is absolutely beautiful guys. It's this bag here, which I just absolutely love. So it's a lovely padded bag with gold chain, like a gold brassy colour chain, and it's also got the logo there, YSL for Saint Laurent. Inside the bag you've got a couple of compartments. So you've got a zip compartment just there. Just behind her you've got another little pocket so you can put like your credit card or, you know, a little purse. And then inside this bit here you've got a nice compartment there that would actually hold my camera. Absolutely love this size bag because it holds my camera. It holds everything that I need for a night out. So my camera, my phone, makeup, keys and so on. So the bag has actually got an adjustable strap. You can wear it like this on your shoulder, or you can have it as a long strap as well. And you've got that little handle just showing on the top there, which I do absolutely love as well. It's a lovely padded bag. Now this might show up white on the camera, but I can tell you it's like a slight off-white colour. But this can go really nice if you're wearing like a floral top like this one that I'm wearing today. Because it's got like that creamy effect in it, you can actually get away with wearing a bag of this colour. So yeah, I do absolutely love it, and I'm so grateful to COEEBAGS for sponsoring today's video and kindly gifting me this beautiful handbag. I do absolutely love it. I do love this colour of gold. So it's not like that bright colour gold, it's more like a sort of brassy colour gold, more kind of like a classic antique brass colour I would say. And then on the circular bits there where the bag goes through, you've got the print on there that also says Saint Laurent. So I will probably wear it more or less like this. So it'll be on my shoulder like so. Okay, or I don't mind wearing it as a longer bag, having the handle like so. Okay, so they also gifted me some earrings, which I was not expecting, guys. These earrings are absolutely beautiful as well. So they've got the same logo on it. They're Saint Laurent earrings in the gold, and I absolutely love these. So on the COEEBAG website you will find these earrings and also this bag and many other beautiful accessories. I will link these two in the description box below, so you can go ahead and click on the link and it will take you directly to these items on their website. It took me quite a few hours to choose what bag I wanted to choose. I chose the bag and then they kindly gifted me the earrings as well, which I'm very grateful to COEEBAGS. Thank you so much for sending me out these beautiful items. So let's talk about the earrings. So the earrings also came in its own little gift box. Just gonna pop that lid on there like that, and also the little gift bag that I showed you earlier. So this is ready to be gifted, you know, as a gift to a loved one or to myself. Thank you COEEBAGS. I absolutely love these earrings and I also love the bag. So that's what I got to show you today, guys. COEEBAGS have also given me a discount code for you guys to pop onto their website and use the discount code Amanda15, and that will give you 15% off anything on the COEEBAGS website. Okay guys, so do take advantage of the discount code. It's 15% off, which I think is really good. I will link these items, like I said, in the description box below, so you can go ahead and click on the item and it will take you directly to them on the COEEBAGS website. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Do have a look at the COEEBAGS website. They've got some really lovely items on there. They also have shoes, they have like jewellery like I've just shown you, and of course they have bags, and they have so many different brands as well. They're all dupes, but very good dupes, very good quality dupes. So thank you so much for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. Thank you for those of you that have recently subscribed to my channel. So welcome to the family, guys. It's great having you here. And for those of you that have been with me since day one, I appreciate every single one of you. Love you all lots. Now guys, I'm actually currently running a Q&A on my channel. I've only had a few questions, so it's not really enough to actually do a video. I really want to bring a new video out to you, a Q&A video next week or the week after, or sometime when I get to like lots of questions to answer on the Q&A. So do go ahead. I have posted a Q&A open page sort of thing on my community page over on my YouTube, so do have a look at that on my community page. You can ask me anything YouTube related, personal related, anything you'd like to ask me, and I'll be answering your questions on my Q&A video very soon. Okay guys, I'd like to say thank you so much to COEEBAGS for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love my bag, and I also love my earrings, which are now inside this bag here. I might as well take them out and show them again. I do absolutely love my YSL earrings as well. So take care guys, enjoy the rest of your day, evening, morning, whatever time you're watching this video. Take care, and I will see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.